Most people get this comparison wrong. They assume Freecash and Swagbucks are just two versions of the same money-making app. But here's the truth no one tells you. They are built differently, and that completely changes how much you can actually earn in 2026. In this video, you will learn how both platforms work, which one pays more in real life, and which one is actually worth your time. By the end, you will know exactly where to focus your effort for the best results. Let's start with Freecash. Freecash is a get-paid-to platform that focuses heavily on offers, app downloads, and high-reward tasks. It is fast-paced and very offer-driven. For example, Alex might install a new mobile game, reach a certain level, and earn a few dollars in a short time. The key idea is simple actions for higher payouts. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Freecash often gives higher payout potential per task compared to most survey apps. But the trade-off is that many offers require time, effort, or in-app progress before you get rewarded. Now let's talk about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is more of an all-in-one rewards ecosystem. You earn from surveys, watching videos, cashback shopping, searching the web, and small tasks. Jake might spend his day switching between surveys and cashback deals instead of focusing on one type of task. But here's the problem. Swagbucks spreads your earning potential across many small activities. That means lower payouts per task, but more variety and stability. So which one pays more in 2026? Freecash usually wins on high-value individual tasks. If you complete offers strategically, you can earn more in shorter bursts. But it can also be inconsistent depending on offer availability. Swagbucks wins on consistency and long-term usability. It may not pay as much per task, but it gives more ways to earn every day, especially if you stack cashback and surveys together. In a minute, I'll show you the strategy that smart users use to combine both apps and double their earnings without spending extra time. Here's the real secret. Users who focus only on surveys on Swagbucks or only low-effort tasks on Freecash usually earn the least. The highest earners pick high-paying offers on Freecash and use Swagbucks for passive or bonus earnings in the background. Another important factor is time efficiency. Freecash rewards focused effort in short bursts. Swagbucks rewards casual, long-term usage. So your personality and patience level matter more than the platform itself. So the final answer is this. Freecash pays more per task, but Swagbucks is more stable and flexible. The real winner depends on how you use them, not just which one you choose. Here are the key takeaways. Freecash is better for higher payouts on offers. Swagbucks is better for steady, varied earning. Combining both gives the best overall results. And neither is a full-time income replacement, only a side income tool. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more honest earning app breakdowns that actually show you what works in 2026.